Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'd like to share with you all a beetroot juice recipe, and for this recipe these are the items that we're going to be using: lemon, sugar, ginger, and beetroot. So the next step that you want to do is to cut your beetroot and your ginger, and I'm going to be using half a lemon. And now I'm going to be putting the beetroot and the ginger into the blender. So here I am. I'm going to be adding my beetroot and ginger into my blender, and I'm going to be adding water. So this is about 2.5 cups of water. Now I'm going to be blending. Now we are going to need a container and a strainer, and we're going to be straining our beetroot. Now that our beetroot has been strained, we're going to be taking our lemon, half a lemon, and adding it to the mixture. And our sugar to the mixture. And now we're going to mix. So this is the finished look of my beetroot juice. As you can see, I've added ice. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share and comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.